If you haven't seen it yet, it's all over social media. A massive cold front is hitting South Africa right now, up until Thursday. We're looking at the Eastern Cape and specifically the Garden Route, but it's moving inland fast. This isn't just a chill, we're talking about 300 millimeters of rain and heavy snow. Now, safety is the priority, but for business owners, this is a massive opportunity to pivot. I'm talking to the roofing companies, gutter specialists, and e-commerce brands. Why? Because when that rain hits, people realize instantly that their roofs leak and their gutters are blocked. If you're in these niches, increase your ad spend and your search bids in the Eastern Cape and Garden Routes immediately. You want to be the first name they see for emergency repairs. And for e-commerce, people are stuck indoors, mountain passes are closed, and everyone is on their phones. If you sell heaters, blankets, or home essentials, now is the time to push your ads in the affected regions. High intent meets captive audiences. Stay safe out there, South Africa, but don't let the opportunity pass you by. If you're in the affected areas, are you ready for the cold? Let me know in the comments.